Hi, this is Tony Uebelhor. Hey, we have a great team member that's getting ready to retire, and I need some help. He's been here since 1989, and he's been a great employee, and he's really part of the family. My dad actually hired him. I remember when Dad hired him, he said, hey, this young man, hire him. He can grow with you as you grow the business over the years. And obviously, Dad's been gone a few years, and this man has really helped us a lot over the years. So we're looking to hire another person in that position. Over the years, I've hired about every position here except this job because he's been here that long. So technicians and body guys and sales guys and about every place under the sun except for this job. It is a key position. Some people will call it a controller, comptroller. Need to have a strong accounting background in finance, some HR duties, obviously overseeing staff, insurance oversight, and obviously this day and age, computer skills are very important. So we're looking to find the right person. And so if you know someone, if you know somebody that's maybe living in the county here that would be interested in the job, or maybe somebody that's out of the area that wants to move to the Du Bois County area, we'd love to talk to them. We have a great team here at the dealership, been around a long time, obviously family owned and operated. If you're looking for a corporate environment, that's not us, but we are a great company to work for and got a lot of great long-term employees, and this gentleman is a perfect example of that. So if you know of someone, you have any questions, easiest way to get me is to email me. My email address is tuebelhor@uebelhor.com. So T for Tony and then Uebelhor @uebelhor.com. So would appreciate it. You can also call me here at the dealership, but the easiest way probably is to send me an email. So would appreciate your help. Got any questions, please let us know. Thank you very much and have a great day.